Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I extract my aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf. You remember some time ago I showed you how I unboxed my aloe vera that I got from Amazon. This is how small the aloe vera was, and now I'm going to show you how big the aloe vera is now. This is how it looks now, and I've been using this aloe vera for some time now. So this time around I just decided to use the leaves that I got from Asia shop. And if you don't know where you can buy your aloe vera, just go to any African shop and you will get your aloe vera. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just wash my aloe vera and make sure it's clean, and then I dry it. And I go in now with my knife. I'm just going to be cutting it to my desired sizes. And after cutting it, I'll make sure I cut it in the middle in order for it to be easy for me to extract the juice. And mind too, aloe vera is very slippery, so if you are using a sharp knife, you have to be very careful. If not, you might cut your hand. And after cutting it, what I'm going to do next, I will just go in with my spoon to scrape the juice. And the reason why I'm using my spoon is because, like I said, it's very slippery, and if you are using a knife you can easily cut your hand. So it's very easy and simple for me to do with my